Dear students, let us continue our Karnataka in that Mysuru division, and we were studying about natural resources. Mysuru division is rich with natural resources like rivers, forests, hills, mountains, etc. Page number 36. Bauxites, felsite, chromite, limestone, manganese, granite are the major minerals available in Mysuru division. These minerals are found deep into the earth and they are more easily found in this division. Felsite is available only in Mysuru district. This felsite is only in Mysuru district you can find felsite. The coastal districts of Udupi and Dakshin Kannada are known for their fishing and have many ports. Udupi and Dakshin Kannada, in these districts, fishes, you can find fishes, and most of the people they are engaged in fishing because there is sea water in these districts. Processed fish is exported in these districts. The processed fish they export it to foreign countries. This has become the source of income for thousands of fishermen. Fishing has become the source of income of these thousands of fishermen. Kodagu, Chikmagaluru and Mysuru districts have become the centers of timber trade. Timber means wood. This Kodagu, Chikmagaluru and Mysuru districts, they are famous for wood. Good quality of wood is found in these districts. Now, answer the following questions. Name any two famous rivers in this division. Which are the famous two rivers? Two famous rivers are Kaveri, Hemavati, Netravati. Like this you can write. Its answer is on page number 36, fourth paragraph. Now, name the districts which receive heavy and low rainfall in this division. Mandya receives the lowest rainfall and Udupi district receives the highest rainfall. Name any two minerals available in this division. Bauxite, manganese, granite. Okay. What is the major occupation of people in the coastal areas? The major occupation of people in the coastal areas is fishing. Understood? 4 question answers I answered here. Now, forests, wildlife and national parks. See there, here tribal community people, they lead their life in the hilly areas or forest areas. They are most backward people. Mysuru is a land of forests. Many forests are found in Mysuru division. That's why it is called as a land of forests. Mysuru, Kodagu, Chikmagaluru and Hassan districts have dense forests. Kodagu, Chikmagaluru and Hassan. In these districts we find very deep forests. Good quality of trees. Wood is also available. Bandipur, Nagarhole, Male Mahadeshwara Betta and Pushpagiri are famous forest areas. Famous forest areas of Mysore division are Bandipur, Nagarhole, Male Mahadeshwara Betta and Pushpagiri. In these areas, forest is more and more deep. A variety of minor forest produce provide livelihood for many. Along with wood, variety of forest products, minor forest products like honey and other products are found here. These minor products provide livelihood for the tribal people. They collect these minor forest products and sell it to the people, and this gives them some money, and that with that money they lead their life. The districts of Mysuru division are home to many tribal communities. In Mysuru division, many tribal people are found. Tribal people, they lead their life in the forest or in and around the forests. Jainu Kurba is the biggest tribal community with highest population. Jainu Kurba is the biggest tribal community with the highest population. Their population is more. They live in Mysuru and Chamarajanagar districts in large numbers. They live in Mysuru and Chamarajanagar districts. Dakshin Kannada and Udupi have Koraga tribal population. In Dakshin Kannada and Udupi, Koraga tribal people are found, and they are the most backward tribe. These Koraga people, they are very backward people. Malekudiya tribals are found in Kodagu and Dakshin Kannada districts. Malekudi in Dakshin Kannada and in Kodagu, Malekudiya tribal people are found. Soliga tribe lives in Chamarajanagar district. Soligas, they live in Chamarajanagar district. Apart from these, Yarwa, Hakkipikki, Halasa and Medara tribes are also present in this division. Understand? These people are also found in many areas. You see here in this picture, you can see the tiger. It lives in the deep forest. Then elephant.